Yeasts and a few other microorganisms use alcoholic fermentation to release energy from food. To demonstrate this process to students, open a yeast packet up. You can add about a packet or a teaspoon of sugar for food, water. Yeast survives best with a little bit of moisture. That plus heat will make the yeast react, and it will bubble up and produce gases of carbon dioxide. To demonstrate to students that carbon dioxide is being released, you use bromothymol blue. You just put that little cup inside the container with the reacting yeast. Over the course of time, students will see color change from blue to yellow. In the summertime, it may be enough heat outside. Cold weather and you've got radiators, you can put it on a radiator. For this activity, I use a heating pad. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but over the course of the period, or you can show students the next day the reaction. It looks like a reaction did happen. Bromothymol blue turned yellow, and the yeast did raise. I can see the line here. I can see some bubbles that formed in it because there's some little holes there. Yeast performed anaerobic respiration, and the evidence is that it gave off carbon dioxide gas because the bromothymol blue turned to yellow.